Hi, this is Tony, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the Estate Swing digital exit device, which is manufactured for us by Cartell. This particular one comes with 100 feet of wire, but you can get it up to 500 feet of wire. And these new digital exit devices are far superior to the analog ones that we've been using for the last 30 years or so. This has been out 7 or 8 years. We've gotten thousands of them out in the field. Very, very little problems with them. They're very good products. They're very lightning resistant. So if you're in the Florida area or anywhere else where there's lightning, you definitely want a digital one of these. You can mount them either above the ground, or most people bury them. You can see this side right here. A 1/2-inch piece of conduit will fit snugly in there. We don't recommend you glue it into the unit in case you do need to do some repairs, but it'll fit nice and snug, and you can run conduit all the way back so no critters are ever going to damage your wire. This will sense moving metal in an area of about 15 feet around it, and that's adjustable. So you bury it next to your driveway is the most common installation. When you're driving down the driveway, it'll pick up the moving metal of your vehicle and open up the gate for you. This device is also really great for solar applications, incredibly low standby voltage. Hook it up to any one of the gate openers that we sell on our website. It works with all of them. The difference between this and, say, an exit loop, which a lot of people call this, a loop goes in the driveway. You have to cut your driveway, put the loop in it, and glue it in so it doesn't move or vibrate. And that detects the presence of metal. So if you're driving a car and you stop in that zone or stop in this zone, after a while this one will lose sight of it. The loop will continue to see it until you move the vehicle out. So those are the difference between a loop and an exit device. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. And if you're doing an installation of our product, we have tech support 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you very much.